It's an unintended effect of the province's pilot project to decriminalize hard drugs and stem the overdose crisis in BC. Cities saying they want to ban drugs in their parks and public places.
Children access our library downtown here in Kamloops, and we've heard multiple stories of children witnessing overdoses that are happening in that space.
The Kamloops City motion includes an amendment to work with Interior Health. Ultimately, a bylaw regarding health issues will need approval from the province. This advocate, who has dealt with addiction, says cities should ensure there are places for people to use safely.
If cities don't want public use, then they need to open up, supervised consumption sites, both sites for inhalation and IV use. You can't just complain about it being out in the open and not giving a safe place for people to go.
In the parks of some cities, critics argue that you can consume heroin or cocaine without legal consequence. This Maple Ridge City Councillor is bringing a motion forward next week.
Communities are saying enough is enough. The current model of operation is not working for anyone.
It's been a contentious issue in the BC legislature. The opposition is critical of the way the province has handled the issue and is calling for a blanket policy to prevent drug use in some public spaces.
And this seems like a very basic first step guardrail that would be very easy to implement and really should not be that difficult for the government to agree with.
The ministry says municipalities and police had input into what the decriminalization pilot program would look like, and will be working with cities as they move forward with bylaws that suit their communities.
In light of the fact that the majority of people who are dying from toxic drug poisoning are dying inside, alone, unsupported, we need to do everything that we can to save lives here.
Sicamous has already enacted a bylaw with input from Interior Health. New Westminster, Kelowna, Nanaimo and Campbell River have also shown interest in rules preventing drug use in parks, beaches and playgrounds. The Ministry of Health will have the final say. Meera Bains, CBC News, Victoria.